Hey guys, Instagram is Facebook a good platform for a person doing B2B marketing?
So what I always say is that businesses actually comprise of more humans. We're all people,
Yeah.
right? A business is not like an unknown entity. It's just
Mm.
they're all human, and the people who make decisions in the businesses are people.
Mhm.
So technically, you're still targeting people.
Yeah.
And what we do though, it's really important to remember that all these people, especially in Southeast Asia, they're probably on Facebook as well. It's just a lot less straightforward.
Yeah.
Like here, if you're like a travel agency, you can, or like you sell air tickets or hotels, you can say, oh, people who are traveling to a certain country or who are interested in traveling to a certain country, you can actually use interest targeting that way. But for B2B, it's very rare that people list their job on Facebook, especially if you're a small business. If I own a retail store, like I don't know, the auntie at the Chart Fund store next door, she's not gonna say I'm the CEO or the founder of Chart Fund. Right? They're never gonna say that. And they'll just leave job empty or be some other like weird like ninja coffee maker kind of title. So you won't be able to target that way. Instead, you would have to target using content. You can target using different kinds of interest targeting. Yeah, it's just a lot less straightforward, but it is possible. We do it all the time.
Yep. So Facebook, I think I've seen Storehub's marketing. It's a lot of content, that speaks to the challenges of business owners. Speaks to the problems of business owners and solving their problems. So Facebook is an amazing platform for that because it gives you, the place to put your videos that speaks to your customers, and Instagram as well. So yeah, it's not, but the targeting can be a bit difficult, but in the end we are talking to humans, and also depends on how B2B it is. If it's too specific, okay, then you might try other channels.
I mean, if your business is like targeting heads of marketing
or like head of factories,
head of factories, then maybe Facebook isn't the way to go because how many of them really are there on Facebook? But maybe you want to do LinkedIn or more outbound, like cold calls. That also works, but like there's no hard and fast rule here.